Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Note 10, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is this SIM eject tool. Now it comes provided with the device, you can find it somewhere in there, but if you don't feel like looking for it, you can always use a paper clip and it should work just fine. So from there, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom right side of the device, so right here. And from here you have a space for two different SIM cards. I'm just going to place one, and you can put it in either one of the trays or take both of them with two different ones. So once you place it in there, you can just slide the thing back in the device, and promptly you should be interrupted by the pin. There we go. So insert pin, and there we go. So that is basically how you would insert a SIM card. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.